The hardest thing I've ever done is keep believing there's someone in this crazy world for me. The way that people come and go through temporary lives, my chance could come and I might never know. I used to say no promises, let's keep it simple, but freedom only help you say goodbye. It took a while for me to learn that nothing comes for free. The price I paid is high enough for me. I know I need to be in love. I know I've wasted too much time. I know I asked perfection of a quite imperfect world, and fool enough to think that's what I found. So here I am with pockets full of good intentions, but none of them will comfort me tonight. I'm wide awake at 4 a.m. without a friend inside. I'm hanging on a hope that I'm alright. I know I need to be in love. I know I've wasted too much time. I know perfection of a quite imperfect world, and fool enough to think that's what I find. I know I need to be in love. I know I've wasted too much time. I know I asked perfection of a quite imperfect world, fool enough to think that's what I find. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Clarissa DJ Clang. Thank you so much.